Good morning. Hi. I have flowers for the Chinese embassy, for his ambassador, Mr. Xiang.
So to the ambassador, Mr. Zhang.
Yeah.
So you can just go in and then later you can meet him.
Cool. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. I have flowers for Mr. Xiang, His Excellency. No problem. Good morning.
Welcome.
Hi. It's a big day for Chinese people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Your Excellency. Good morning. Hello. My name is Baram Sadeghi. Hello, Your Excellency Xiang. On behalf of Dutch people, I would like to give you these flowers.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. Okay, because it's a big day for Chinese people today.
What do you mean by that?
You know, it's a big day for Chinese people. It's 10th of December. Because you Chinese people, you have won the Nobel Prize for Peace.
Well, we do have some different thoughts about that.
But you should be proud, you know, because you won the Nobel Prize for Peace 2010 for Mr. Liu.
Okay.
So that's why I want to thank you. And I hope that in the future, Chinese government will win more prizes for peace, because the way you treat your people is great. Do you want to say anything to the Dutch people?
Well, thank you, and thank you. Welcome to the embassy, and we are expecting some students from the Leiden University.
Yeah, but especially about the Nobel Prize, how proud you are to win the Nobel Prize for Peace 2010.
Well, I really don't want to say too much about that.
But tell something, please.
Okay, but generally speaking, you know, for China, we do attach great importance to human rights promotion and protection.
Yeah, but unfortunately, Mr. Liu is now in the prison.
We do feel regret that the Nobel Peace Prize is given to Mr. Liu. You know, Mr. Liu is
but it's also for you. It's also for you.
Is a criminal put in prison as a result of the conviction of the Chinese legal authorities.
Yeah,
and,
it's unfortunate. But they think this is not criminal. You know, the Nobel Prize Commission. It's a big commission.
The Nobel Peace Prize Committee has ignored the will of Mr. Nobel, and
okay, Mr.
I think
Xiang.
they are behind their decision.
Okay, Mr. Xiang, I have only one question, Mr. Xiang. One question.
I don't want to continue with discussions about that.
Mr. Xiang, one question. What are your plans in the future? How to treat people who are getting a Nobel Prize, Chinese people? What are your plans for them?
Well,
to put them in the prison or not?
Our plan is quite clear. With our efforts, we will promote the rights and freedom of all the Chinese people.
Great. Also, Mr. Liu.
Based on the rule of law.
Also,
based
Mr.
on
Liu.
You are trying to make a quarrel with me?
No. But also, Mr. Liu, I hope you are proud to because your government, your people have won the Nobel Prize.
The Chinese government is peaceful for all the Chinese people. We don't need anybody else to tell us what to do. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, and have a good time with the Nobel Prize. I hope you will win a lot of Nobel Prizes in the future.
We will, but not as the Nobel Peace Prize Committee is doing now.
Okay. Okay, but I hope they will change for you. Okay, thank you very much for the hospitality. Thank you very much. Big day for the Chinese people. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for the hospitality, and have a good day. Big day for Chinese people. Thank you.